Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, ZVS is cooking. Actually cooking. Damn. Thing is well into the supply zone there now. Well into the supply zone. What's Kramer saying now? Just in Donald Trump officially wins the U.S. election, Jim Cramer announced his prediction that Kamala Harris will win the election. Well, well. Well. Made more than enough money today. Have a great day. La 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 da da. Well done. Well done. Let's see. The reverse Kramer. Good morning, everybody. Oof. $3.35. That's the ZVSA current. Well, that was the early pre-market high. So 320 is going to be your next little wall here. Your next little wall. So that looks good. AGFY did really well. It's just sitting at a double. It failed at a double top at 650. So that's going to be a problem there. BNOX seems to be forming a downtrend, but then has support at 46 cents. So watch that level. ALBT holding the 200 at $4.10. And then the S&P is going to be like this all day. Up, down, down, up. And then not tomorrow, Wednesday? Wednesday. Is it Thursday or Wednesday? For the Fed meeting. I think it's Wednesday, right? Tomorrow? For some reason I can't remember. Good morning, Merlin. Good morning, Jay. Guardian, good morning. Chambers, good morning. T Robot, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Dave, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Other Jay, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Good morning, Amanda. Good morning, Noah. Good morning, Patricia. John, good morning. Eric, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy election day. Happy election day. Most of you guys have voted already, except for Virus. Virus. Anyways. Anyways, good morning. Still listening? No. Who is no? I think no, it's this, right? So I don't know if this is a real thing though, because now this is coming from a source that is Meta News. I mean, so I don't know if he actually said that now. I don't know if he's. Chima, good morning, Varys. You have no hope. You have no hope. You know that, right? Yeah. Greedy, la 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 la. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Membership. Let's go. Again, I don't think some people understand like the value of the gold memberships. Bliss and I, there he is. There he is. We were just talking about you cooking this morning in Discord. Is that gold membership paid for already? More than paid for, right? So if you're struggling and you're not a gold member, become a gold member because you're missing out, right? And some stuff is easy to figure out. But yeah, we'll send out money to other countries. Yup. Someone buy me a membership. Let's go, Archer. Don't listen to Archer, guys. Anyways, BNOX is curling back up, which is perfect. So 46 cents is holding, which is nice. Back above the 50. Same resistance at 55 cents on this one, though. Right, this one was good this morning, though. Right, so obviously 174% is nice. Very, very nice. ZVSA hit resistance. Surprise, right? Kind of a double top, and now we're selling off a little bit. Bliss, you got into this one, right? You were waiting for that VWAP to cross, and you still made monies, right? Again, the S&P is going up and down. ALBT, uh, I kind of like this one coming into the open, but it's looking more sus the closer we get to the open. For now, though, as long as we stay above like $4.10, I don't mind. ALBT, right? Sammy, ayo, hello. DJT with a gap up this morning. Obviously, it's election day, so they're gonna gap it up. Like I think I answered Sammy's question this morning. Like if you have enough of these, You have options. If you have enough of DJT, why not pay yourself, right? And then you can gamble some into the election, because you just never know. You never know, right? Especially if you bought around 33 and now it's at 37, and you have, those options are nice and green. Like, pay yourself some monies. And then let's see what happens with the election. Alrighty. Question for you guys going into the open though. What's your favorite stock, guys? Emma, hello, hello. What's your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock? I have too many favorites. Too many favorites. La 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 la. Good morning, Nemo. Trying to. La 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 la. Yes, let me do that. Let me do that right now. Okay. I need a dollar sign emoji. And then rockets. Doo, doo, doo. Doo, 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 doo. Oh, I'm missing dang it. Create. I just need to fix some of these channels because I messed them up. I think I messed the other one up, virus. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Actually, let's do that. That's fine. Okay, perfect. Almost ready. Let's go. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Eritrean. Good morning. I hope you're going to have. I hope you have a good day too. Christian, good morning. 55. Hey yo, Azul, Grim, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Meerkat, good morning. DMAC, good morning. P Dozer, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sammy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I think I asked you guys earlier what your favorite stonk was going into the open. It's not Mullen. SPPL. SPPL looks interesting. I think I just had it on here still because it's not quite dead yet. Even though they've done an offering or they've announced not an offering but a potential split coming up, the stock still looks okay. Like in terms of like holding levels, not bad at all. Oleg, good morning. War Machine, good morning. Jericho, stay green, not greedy. Good morning, Jericho. Minor, good morning. Good morning. So again, today's election day. I'm ready. You know what? I'm excited to let's go. I'm excited to you know, to start watching the news later tonight and start to see the numbers come in and like, oh, this person won this, you know? It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Oof. I'll start. This was yesterday. All my Tesla puts. Let's go. Let's go. You know what's crazy, guys? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? Yeah, you know what's crazy. You know what's crazy? Is we have members that like have the lifetime membership, and that damn thing is paid already, right? So they never have to. That criminal in the chat. His name starts with You know what? No, not name any names. Some ex there he is, guys. I didn't want to name any names, but he came forward. Can you imagine paying for a lifetime membership and then you paid off the membership already in gains? So now you never have to pay for a membership again, ever, 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 ever. Can you imagine, guys? Archers in the chats. Let's go, guys. Come on. Well done. Well done, Archer. I love it. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? These are the people that are, willing to invest in themselves and put the work in, whether it's a one-on-one or just learn or take that leap of faith, right? It's paying, right? You invest in yourself, it pays you back, right? The greatest investment you can ever make is the one you make in yourself. Was it Warren Buffett that said that? Yeah, right. Again, not just in this community, just in general. Like if you need to learn something, you put the time in. That's equally like that's also investing in yourself, or like have someone teach you, right? So I like when people put in the work and then that you can see the dividends paying, right? Which is exactly what Archer's doing, right? From a lifetime membership so he can get some one-on-ones and then, asking questions, getting help, taking the leap of faith, learning new things, right? That's amazing. That's amazing. Um and then we will have people that send me DM saying, "Hey Blaze, I lost $30,000 this month. I have a $5 membership. Can you give me free one-on-ones, please?" I'm like, what finger do you think I'm gonna show you? My little index. Anyways, well, my pinky finger is the one I show you. Or like thumbs up. Keep going in that direction. Keep going. Stuck with that. Let's go, Jericho. Much love. Keep crushing it, please. Keep crushing it. And again, a lot of this too is testament to like the community, right? From people like Virus to like the list is endless. So teamwork, guys. Well done. Love it. Let's keep helping each other and let's keep making monies. BNOX is back cooking. Not quite to the highs of the day yet, Chambers, but that's a really good curl, right? So back to 195% on this one. Um, Chima, yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. Exactly. So I'm gonna answer that question. The holo candle question, Chris. Yeah. So, the holo candles, for example, because of technical reaction of price, right? So when drops, la 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 la. Yeah. Uh, too much volume. Uh, uh, okay. Okay. Perfect. Ooh wee. Okay, perfect. Good, good, good. Yeah, no, BNOX looks really good. So one of the names going into the open, right? So that's a good stonk. We like it, right? DJT again, still at 37. AGFY still holding support at $5.30 for now. Um, ZVSA with a bit of a dip ski, but that was a really good run though. So there are quite a few options this morning going into the open, which is perfect, which is honestly all we can always ask for, right? People have made money in BNOX, amazing, right? AGFY, people have made monies. ALBT, this one made monies earlier. Now it just looks like it's playing with the 200 EMA. So ZVSA made monies in this one. So there are quite a few options going into the open, which is perfect, right? Perfect, perfect. Again, I'm gonna ask you guys because I asked earlier and like you guys really didn't answer, which is a good thing and not a good thing, but it's a good thing for the most part. What's your favorite stock going into the open? XPON. I'll take a look. That's Grim's favorite name. Grim's favorite name. So be XPON. That was a nice little pop. You kind of need that second wave though to confirm that it wants to move today, maybe. So get back about 420, and that might confirm your curl, Jeff. For now, meh, right? You should have held BNOX, Jeff. Yeah, yeah. That's okay though. As long as you made money, that's okay. Didi, good morning. Patricia, BNOX. Okay, so quite a few BNOXs. SPPL. Okay. Yeah, again, I don't. It doesn't look like SPPL is completely dead. But for now, though, that's only. I only say that because it's still holding above $1.55. So as long as we stay above that, there's a bit of hope. The one thing that I don't like is that it's below the 200 EMA. So be very careful when you're going into positions. Be very, very careful, right? There's a nice demand zone sitting there. So again, as long as it stays above that demand zone, not bad. Not bad. So it looks like we're trying to curl here for AGFY. So if you're playing with this one, watching it, make sure it stays above $5.30. Because if it doesn't, then that's going to open up room all the way into the fours. Alrighty. BNOX again for now has a double top right below 60 cents. So just be careful, please, as we go into the open. Again, that support was at 46 cents. So I don't know if we're going to come back and retest that 46-cent level after the market does open, right? DJT, it's been bouncing up 37 for now, right? So that's a good thing if we can find a way to stay above 37. And then let's see what happens when the market opens and go from there, right? ALBT is still holding that 200 EMA. We've been talking about 410, right? So you can almost go all the way down to $4. But again, if it can stay above 410, then that's not too bad. Alrighty. The S&P again is going to go up and down today, right? We have the election today, which we get results whenever the next few days, tomorrow, whatever, and then also we have the Fed speaking tomorrow. So again, you can expect chaos, volatility in the S&P. Alrighty, so those are mainly the names that I'm paying attention to this morning. Alrighty, if you have any other names you're interested in, please let me know. We have lots of time before the market opens. I can look at anything you guys are looking at, so just let me know. Good morning, Raven. Ayo. And just making sure I'm good to go. Save my K. There we go. Perfect. Just make sure my watch list is good. Oh yeah, Palantir is the other one that I'm forgetting to look at here. Palantir also on the watch list for this morning, right? Palantir looks amazing, honestly. There's really nothing negative I can say about this stock, like zero, like nothing at all. Uh, like nothing at all, right? So yeah, it looks really good. The closer you get to $50, though, the more cautious you want to be. Alrighty, because this morning it looks like we hit a double top at 49. So yeah, so be careful with that gap up there. Again, amazing company. This thing will most likely be around for a long time, and probably will break about $50 at some point. Um, but yeah, be careful, please. Alrighty. So when you're getting close to a psychological level like that, right? You want to be a bit cautious, a little bit cautious. Alrighty, a little bit cautious. What's my favorite name? Oh, that's a hard question this morning because I like AGFY, I like BNOX, I like ZVSA. Those three, right? Um, I like those three this morning. Maybe AGFY comes first. I don't know. I don't know, Mullen. Right. So, but yeah, I like those three names. Yeah, BNOX looks like yeah, that 60 cents is gonna be a problem. I think if I had to put them in order, maybe AGFY would come first, ZVSA, and then BNOX. Um, but yeah, do I like a rep? I haven't looked at a rep this morning. Let's go, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Got a little pump. Scanner went off. XPON. Yeah, on the left hand side, therefore XPON. Chaos day. Type in yes in the chat if you voted already. Type yes in the chat if you voted already. Come back down all the way to 45. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 0.46. Yeah, 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 for sure. Yeah, BNOX could come all the way back down and retest this area. Obviously, don't want it to. We want to be cooking immediately at the open, but yeah. Ooh, yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah, again, if you haven't seen the let's go. Okay, well, see, that's a position. I don't. Maybe that's okay. Bradley. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. I like it. I like it. Love it. Um, yeah. Mullen isn't going anywhere. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Not yet, Jeff. Okay. Yeah, a lot of you guys voted already, though. And then some of you guys are gonna vote tonight. Going to stand in line for a while, Raven. Yeah, the line stuff is in taking my 18-year-old daughter to vote for the first time. Let's go. Is she excited to vote, Raven? Yeah, let's go. Make decisions. So again, AGFY, we like it going into the open, right? It would have been nicer if this thing was sitting closer to $5.30 because then support is closer. BNOX, again, it looks like for now we're failing right, but again, below 60 cents. You have a bit of support at 52-ish, and then it's all the way down to 46-ish. Alrighty, DJT's done really well, bouncing off $37, which I think is what a lot of you guys want, right? So, like I said earlier, let's see what happens when the market opens. ALBT is done well, holding above $4.10. So that's another one we are paying attention to. The S&P up and down again, right? And then ZVSA, lots and lots of resistance at 320. So maybe we dip on this one and retest $2.50. That would be nice. There you go, Grim. Yeah. She for jury duty and not happy as she's there now. How long it'll oh wow. Yeah, jury duty doesn't seem like one of those things that is appealing. Yeah. Is dragging his feet to vote. I just to pick a hit the least. Also first time D, yeah. I mean, honestly, that's how it is sometimes. You pick the lesser of the anyways, you know what I'm gonna say. Doche, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So again, pretty good morning this morning, right? Um Pretty good morning for these stonks because there's some amazing gainers. So if I refresh the gainer list one more time before we get to the open, right? The gainer list this morning is nice, right? So again, BNOX has been nice this morning. ARBT did really well earlier. AGFY, like it's awesome, really good gains this morning. If you're green already this morning, type in yes in the chat. If you're green already this morning, type in yes. DJT. Yeah, yes, sir. Let's go, Lion. Let's go, let's go. Now we just need these stocks to keep cooking at the open, right? So again, Bliss, make sure you stay disciplined though, right? That'll be the biggest thing. I keep saying this and people think I'm joking. I have full confidence that anybody that's in this community, anybody that we have one-on-ones with, right? I have full confidence that you will make money, right? You will make money. You cannot be around this community and not make money. Okay? Like full confidence, not even kidding. right? The problem that you will run into though is those losses, right? So again, not staying disciplined enough to hit your daily goal and say, okay, you know what, I've hit my daily goal. Now let me go paper trade, or now let me cut back and use. I was using $1,000. Now let me go use $200, right? Not having that discipline to walk away and say, okay, I've hit the goal. Let me trade smaller or let me paper trade, right? Or the discipline at the same time to say, you know what, I'm not doing amazing, but let me keep a really tight stop loss, right? Those losses are the only thing that's going to screw you, right? From time to time, you will make money. It's not a question, right? Not a question at all. The problem is when you start taking those big losses and you sit back and you're like, oh, la 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 la, no stop loss. I'm down $100. I'm down $1,000. It's gonna come back, right? Anyways, and then $5,000, and then more and more and more, right? So be very careful with the losses. You will make money. You will make money, right? The problem is if you take big losses, you're done, right? A lot of people only takes like one big loss, done. Two big losses, done, right? So keep it tight. Yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. What's up, Doug? Wait, is that Doug? Election day, let's go. Is that the Doug? La 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 la. Carry on. No, don't diamond at AMC, please. Please, please, please. You're taking profits today, Monty? Love it. Be disciplined and not greedy. Exactly, virus. Yep. How much time do we have? Okay, market's open, guys. So why am I watching the S&P? I don't know. So again, AGFY, we like it, right? BNOX, we like it. DJT, look at that volatility, back to 37, right? And then there's ALBT still holding that $4.10 range. ZVSA, I think we wanted that thing to come back to 250. I don't know if it's going to come back to 250 though. But again, as you can see, there are quite a few names that we like. Just don't rush these names at the open, please. There's no need for that, right? No need for that at all. So be patient. Let the market consolidate a little bit. We have way too many options this morning, which is a good thing, but also not a good thing. So be patient, please. There goes ALBT, right? That thing said, thank you guys. My $4.10 and pop, pop, pop. But again, look at how quickly it's moving, right? This is why we ask you guys to be careful at the open. That candle went from 410 to 470 back to 410, right? So there's going to be a lot of volatility as usual. DJT broke 37 and then came right back above 37. The S&P is kind of cooking, isn't it? Sheesh, look at that candle. Not that it's in a brand new range, but it's that's an impressive candle. It looks like ZVS is slowly getting closer to $2.50. It might not fully get there though, but we'll see. AGFY. Let's see if this candle can close above $5.30. Because if it doesn't, then we're potentially looking for the the middle fours, the low fours, right? BNOX is holding the 50 EMA now, right above 50 cents. Again, another one that needs a bit of volume and time to behave. Alrighty. And Palantir is getting slapped a little bit there. Again, I don't think this is a big surprise, right? That's a really good gap up that it had, and people started taking some gains going into the open. Some gains going into the open. So let's see. Come on, AGFY, what are you gonna do? What are you going to do? 2260. BTC is ripping too. Lorenda. Yeah, the S&P ripping there. Bitcoin follows. So here potentially comes that 46 we wanted for BNOX, right? Into that supply zone. So let's see if we can get a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Right? AGFY is still fighting to hold above $5.30. But again, that thing really needs to start giving us a curl. If not, then we just stay away from it. Alrighty? So here comes the BNOX. Okay, let's see. Oh, Rob, I'll take a look at that actually. I take a look, skis. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. Perfect. There you go. I don't think we're gonna get that signal. Dang it. Okay. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. That thing was 1 penny from the signal. 1 penny from the signal. And it said, no thanks, guys. I don't want to give it to you. But again, demand zone, bounce back up, right? Bounce back up, and there goes ZVSA, right? So one of the names we liked coming into the open, nice pop. So same resistance though, right between $3.20 and 3.30. Alrighty, so keep in mind again, massive supply zone at the top there, but really good bounce though. Really, really, really good bounce. ELBT, what are we doing here? Selling off again. Look at that, right? That stock was at $4.70, and now it's at $3.90, right? Be very careful. There's no need to rush at the open, please, 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 please. Market is telling us the election results. Well, for now, right? So, because the market really like we've been open for 4 minutes, right? So maybe closer to the end of the day, we might see a different reaction, honestly, Doug's. But yeah, yeah. The reason why I'm stumbling a little bit is because I know what you're saying, but I kind of don't want to go there, you know? Not yet. It's still really early in the morning. Slow, I haven't looked at that. Are you in the stock? Let me know, please. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, it looks like ZVSA is still failing at that, in that little range there. It's giving us a trend. Yeah. I do like the way the S&P looks on a bigger time frame, just because we've been sitting in this range for the last few days now, especially if you look at the 4 hour, right? You can see a lot of consolidation, but still, SPY is very much range bound. So if I pull up the 4 hour on the S&P here, right, you're gonna see a bit of a range, right? So again, the reason I say I like it is because clearly, like, it looks like we found a bit of support, right? This is the 4 hour, and that's the 200 EMA, and that's a demand zone. So clearly, there's a bit of support. Anytime we get close to like 560, 68, we are bouncing. And again, you can see like all the way to the left hand side. This level has been nice in the past, right? 68 to 67, nice level, right? So, but at the same time, again, was still like range bound, until we have the election results, and then we have the Fed meeting tomorrow. I don't think we can really pick that side yet. BNOX is disappointing because we wanted a signal for this one, and it left us behind. Which is actually annoying. What I will do is I will, again, the stock that I want to send a signal on. I will write the actual signal, but then I will wait for it to come into that range before I send it, or like close to the range. And it looks like we just missed this one. Yeah, dang it. Okay, well, that's annoying. That is annoying. BNOX. Uh, do. There's a stock called GoGo. That would be better for signals. Yeah, yeah. No, exactly. Yeah. I wanted 46. Mullen. I wanted 46, but we went to 47 something. So that's not exactly what I wanted. I was a little bit greedy on that, but that's okay though. Right now we pumped all the way back to the stupid high, right below 60 cents. Can you tell I'm salty? I wanted a damn entry. Anyways, let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can break out above 60 cents and consolidate, and then go from there. Right? AGFY is not really giving us anything yet. Clearly, that's a downtrend, no curl at all. Right? If we can get closer, like I said earlier, right? If we break below 530, and then we want the middle fours, right? The low to the middle fours. So let's see if that thing can keep dipping. If it dips, maybe this can be the new trade we take, right? So keep dipping. Um, BNOX, no surprise they were failing at resistance. DJT is just up and down for now. Probably going to do this all day, right? Yeah. No, I just saw the alert, but I haven't looked at GoGo yet. ALBT again, not really giving us anything either, right? S&P looks nice on a smaller time frame. If I can zoom in, so like Doug said, maybe the markets are giving us, telling us what they want. But I don't think there's really any way to predict for now. ZVSA also failed at resistance. Again, not a major surprise there. And then that's Palantir recovering all those losses that it had at the open. Go. What's Gogo doing? Ah, not bad, huh? Not bad at all. I bet you we're gonna miss another signal, guys, because we want an exact number on AGFY. But that's okay though. That thing needs to get slapped a bit more. 460 is what you wanted. Yeah, exactly. Like it needs to dip a little bit more. You know what would be nice? A nice fat candle to like $4.20. Enter, enter, enter. Anyways, I wanted to ask you, or have you na 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 list of stocks to na 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 expect na 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 na. Um, yeah, the last election, DJT did not do what it's doing this time. Um, right? So the last time DJT did some crazy things was when it was like a the DSPAC, right? You guys remember that? DJT went from like $12 to $175, and it wasn't like an election thing. It was just more like a hype thing, right? So connection to Trump, obviously, and then just hype, 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 right? So I know people are asking like, okay, the last time did it? No, not necessarily. It's a bit different this time. It's a little bit different. We can also go back and look, right? So we can pull up the daily chart and we can go back to 2020 and look at the election time, right? And see what the price action was like. But yeah, woof, woof. I'm telling you guys, Archer is cooking, cooking. The man is on fire, on fire. So today's gains $3,000. Woof. The man is on fire, Archer. On fire for those with those Palantir calls. Archer, give me a damn high five. Well done. Bitcoin is almost back to 70. Let's go, Lorenda. Thank you. Puts those 45 calls paid out 2 weeks out random stuff. Yeah, it did. Yeah, the only way to play Palantir was has been calls because that thing has been cooking, 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 cooking. Okay. BTC. Let's see. Am I missing it? Okay. There you go. Let's go. DJT is pumping. Yeah. 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 It really is pumping. Yeah. Good morning, Carl. So some of you guys are holding DJT shares, and some of you guys are holding options. Either or, you're printing monies. So well done, well done, well done. Perfect. Perfect. So AGFY, it looks like we're consolidating, doesn't it? I wish this was happening at like closer to the 200 instead of happening at 470 for AGFY. BNOX still looks fine to me, right? It looks completely okay. Especially if we can get back above 60 cents, that would be perfect and consolidate above. ALBT isn't really giving us much, even though it's consolidating at 370 as well. And then the S&P volatility. Gogo's done really well, right? Backing up now, but done really well. Palantir is sitting on all-time highs again, guys. All-time highs. PLTR, all-time highs. On a rocket ship, yeah. So Bitcoin is pumping, the S&P pumping, DJT pumping. What do those three things have in common, guys? What do those three things have in common? You guessed it. You guessed it. I didn't say anything. You guessed it. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. It really helps. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. And if you're not a member yet, Doug, Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? I didn't say anything, Nisi. I didn't say anything. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Join Legend, Discord Community Legend or Goats. Come join us in Discord. Not the sold out levels, please. But yeah, so again, Palantir looks good. DJT looks good. And some of the other ones look good too. Doge is running too. Yeah, Bitcoin. Elon Musk, I guess, right? So that's the other connection. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Um, yeah. The best. The best. BNOX. Let me go back to BNOX, guys. Yeah, BNOX is retesting the highs of the day again, right? So we really missed that signal. This was the play, wasn't it? Right? Same resistance though, 60 cents. We keep saying 60 cents, right? That's the wall. If we can break and close above that, then it's opening up room for more, right? I think Grim mentioned 80 cents earlier. I haven't zoomed out yet, but I will if we can close above 60 cents. And then we can look for new resistance levels. Alrighty? New resistance levels. Teed up with a random pop there, TDUP. That kind of sounds like, anyways. Nisi, I know, right? I know. Here comes the AGFY sell-off we wanted to see, right? So again, a little bit more. That thing's like, nope, that's all you get. But we'll see. Right, we need to sell off and consolidate. BNOX is still failing at resistance. ALBT is really consolidating there, isn't it? 370. $3.70. Palantir is just cooking, guys. Palantir just goes and goes and goes and goes. Shish. What an amazing stock. What an amazing stock. You know what's so cool about Palantir too? Is Palantir is one of those stocks. Palantir is one of those stocks too that is like, like has a lot of retail hype, right? Like a lot of people holding Palantir in the long-term portfolio, right? Like a lot of retail believe in this company. It's not one of these companies like Nvidia where like we're catching it like all the way up there. This is one that a lot of retail is in at like $6, $7, $10, $20, right? Which is amazing. Which is amazing, 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 right? So yeah, amazing, amazing. So congratulations if you're holding this thing from a very very cheap price. That's amazing, right? So $50 is going to be tested at some point. 500, yeah. Again, like if you're in at $9 and it's at $50, really like you have so much room to just sit back and relax and not really do anything, right? Not really do anything. Let me do. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me go back. Captain, SPPL is cooking, isn't it? Yeah, we all knew that one wasn't done. Even with the offering, it wasn't done. Or the potential split, it wasn't done. Anyways, there goes ALBT, guys. Really good consolidation at $3.70, right? So if you caught this one, congratulations. But again, you can kind of see though, like most of these stocks, even the ones that like are cooking, right? You can see that all of these stocks are selling off at the open, right? Mark posted something, I missed it for some reason though. Right? You can see that all of these stocks are cooking, the selling off at the open, right? Like ALBT is cooking now, but guess what? It sold off at the open and then it consolidated. Even BNOX sold off at the open. We just missed it initially, right? Like anything that if like the S&P, no, not necessarily because we're not really but even like DJT, like DJT was at closer to 38 and then slapped to 36.50 and then pump, right? So this is why we keep beating it into you guys. Like you don't need to be rushing into stocks immediately as the market opens, because you're gonna end up crying. Mark says 3 for 3 on options for ER. Let's go. Strangle. Let's go. Puts on Hims. Calls on Palantir. 250% gain. $1,400. Mark, come on, Mark. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. People are cooking in the options channel, guys. These are people that have no idea what options are. Like zero idea what options are, right? Zero. Like when I say zero, I mean like zero, right? A month ago, Mark wasn't playing with options. A month ago, Archer wasn't playing with options. You want to know what Archer's done? Archer's made what? $7,000 in the last 2 days on options. What's Mark done this morning? $1,400 just today alone, right? So again, if you put in the work, right? You want to know something else that Mark and Archer have in common though? They're both gold members. And anyways, let's leave the credit, to stop being so loud about us. I know, Archer. I want to be loud about success, work hard. Yeah, let's go. So there you go. There you go. So are we consolidating at that 460? Yeah, kind of looks like it does in Mullen. The S&P is really cooking though. Really, really cooking. Into good companies. Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely, Lorinda. Absolutely. Look at that. I almost want to show you guys that screenshot on stream. That's amazing, Lorinda. The power of dollar cost averaging into good companies, right? This is what people should be doing. Again, I want to focus on these momentum stocks, but this is what people should. When you're gonna dollar cost average, the reason why I want to fight about this topic is because people will send me DMs all the time and say, "Hey Blaze, I'm down on I bought AMC at $10. It's currently sitting at $5. Do you think I should add more?" And I almost want to slap you through the computer. You know why? Because that's not what dollar cost averaging was meant for. It wasn't meant to buy garbage companies and then buy more and then buy more. This is what it was meant for, right? To dollar cost average into amazing companies. This is Lorenda's portfolio, by the way, right? Look at that dollar cost averaging into NVIDIA, right? 500%. You can cook with the big ones, right? MSTR, Palantir, right? 265% on Palantir, Meta, TradeX, TTD, right? Coinbase, Mera, SoFi, right? Like there's some amazing companies on there. There's amazing, right? There's some good cheap ones too, like SoFi and Palantir when it was at the same price, right? I bet you SoFi is going to be eventually be but anyways, you know what I mean, right? So but yeah. That's all my venting for now. I'll stop complaining now. Yeah. You bought at 54. You bought it at $54. Why were you drinking wine when you bought it at $54? Um, DD options. Yeah, we can do next one, and one can be on options. But we so if that's the case though, you need to go watch the video that's in the options channel, right? Because we're gonna have an options class at some point. So you have to watch that video first before we do it. Um, Alrighty. Yeah. Look, let's go. Love it, love it, love it. Very nice, huh? Yeah, Bitcoin is at 70, 74 now. Yeah. Yeah, the S&P is cooking, right? Cooking, like straight up. So yeah, straight up SPY. I wasn't expecting that type of price action. I was expecting like, sidewaysness, but we're clearly cooking today, so that's good. I had AMD 13 and sold at 30. Dang. Yeah. Uh la, 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 la. Trying to am I booked for this month? Not completely. There goes the S&P. Not completely. Let me see. What's the that's a good question actually. What's the next available date on the 1-on-1 calendar? Because I I wanted to know that as well, not just for you, but for commands, just so I know. Well, I mean, anyway, so yeah, 19. 19 of that. The next available date is 19 of the month. Today is what, the 5th? Okay. Yeah. On it. I see. We're kind of sitting at the level that we wanted, but I almost wanted closer to 420. Almost wanted closer to 420. I wanted 440, Mullen, but yeah, almost want 420 instead now. Even though that would be below, but then that would also give us a demand zone double bottom. But yeah. 28 is Thanksgiving. Yeah, when you do one-on-ones, guys, yeah, I try not to do them on holidays. Like Christmas. I'm not gonna do one-on-ones with you on Christmas. Um, unless you're sending me a Christmas gift, you know, then maybe. But like, yeah, maybe on Thanksgiving, because I don't have Thanksgiving in Canada, maybe. But someone just gave me the rolling eye. But anyways, but yeah, so of the 200, let's see what happens here. The S&P is really pumping. Like, there's no stopping this thing. You try shorting this thing, you will get NSATs. Oh wow! Oh, nice. Look at that. New highs of the day. Dude, the stop loss from the previous day work for options in the morning. You kind of don't want to do that. Because I've done that before, Monty. And options, when options open, sometimes they can be really weird. Like the spread is all over the place, and then you want a one-on-one on Valentine's Day? No, no. Wow. Keep cooking, Spy. I like this price action. BNOX looks like it's holding a double bottom at 49, doesn't it? As again, like as much as I wanted, like AGFY at $4.40, it got there, and I was like, nah, bro, give me 420. But we'll see. Nah. But yeah, the S&P. Dan, are you in holding? Are you long NQ? Dang. You did the same. Yep. Like not anymore. But then that thing's gonna pump, and we're gonna be like, damn it, Mullen. Damn it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Make sure we repost that link at the bottom. Repost the link at the bottom. Okay, let's see. Uh, 50. Okay. Uh, la. Supply zone. La. DJT, BJDX. BJDX. Let me take a look. BJDX. Bunny. Yeah, that thing is micro penny stock, but cooking though, right? Yeah, that thing really cooked them. So 83% bunny. Let's go, let's go. Is BNOX selling off again to the bottom of the range? Yeah. See, this is again one of these things where like we're selling up to the bottom and you're like, right? But AGFY is holding that 200 though, which and again initially this would have been a perfect trade if that 200 was a little bit lower, no brainer. But I think it's a bit more complicated there. But I mean, either way though, like gambles off the 200 is like that's been something that we've taken multiple times, right? So if you're taking that, there's nothing wrong with that. Just for me, I wanted a little bit more. I'm gonna end up being greedy. But again, off the 200, always not a horrible gamble. You know. Again, the S&P new highs of the day, like that thing just keeps cooking. Shish. Oh, that candle's getting erased. Funny. Who's leading the polls? Hot rates leading the polls with the gains, leading the polls. La la la, and then we get to pick. Anyways, okay, moving on. But yeah, BJDX does look good though. So 1450 there though. You want to be careful, buddy. Alrighty, so 14 to 1450 resistance. So be careful because that thing is obviously fully sitting in the supply zone. Palantir still looks amazing. Palantir is gonna cross $50. Like that's impressive. That's very impressive. So some stocks like AMKR. Anyways, let me be quiet. Um, you know, when we could have. Anyways, hmm. AGFY is coming back down. See, this is the problem, Mullen, right? Like, no full confidence yet until we get to the price we want. BNOX, on the other hand, though, is still holding 48 cents. Right, so it does look like it's double bottom in a demand zone, which is good for anybody that's interested in that. There are a whole bunch of scalps this morning, which is good. And I want to see SPY back at 580. 580 by end of the week. We agree? Yeah, we agree. 580 end of the week. Yeah, BNOX curl. Yeah, that is a nice curl, Justin. How are you doing, Justin? Um, yeah, and then over 39. Yeah, almost. It does look like it. That initial like resistance we had earlier is acting as support now. Azure, which is good. Which is good. Uh, you have been Justin. Okay, that's a good thing, right? Okay, let me go back to the other one because that little penny stock is actually cooking, isn't it? Yeah, but it's still failing at the 1450 bunny, right? BJDX is still failing at resistance. Zcar had news 6 hours ago. Enhanced guest and host experience, meh. But yeah, not bad. Dang, what's AGFY doing here? It's just consolidating. I mean, to an extent, it is creating a demand zone. Creating like a second demand zone there, which isn't horrible. Which isn't horrible. You know. That's actually not horrible. The more I say it, I think the more people FOMO in the chat, and then the stock is gonna cook without us. Cook without us. But yeah, yeah, yeah. Doo-doo-doo. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, you guys are foaming in the chat without me. I cannot believe you guys. I cannot believe you guys. But let's see if this like actually curls and closes above though. I cannot believe you guys. And such are bottoms. I cannot believe you guys. Of course, look at this. Look at this. Z car is halted up. Oh, okay. Let's see what happens though. Let us see what happens. Yup. There it goes. 67, 68. I'm going to be so greedy this morning. I'm going to miss two potential entries. BJDX is pumping again. Yeah, there goes $15, guys, for BJDX. Palantir is almost about to Palantir tapped $50, and BJDX is like, don't worry about Palantir, just watch me instead, because I'm cooking. Cooking. Why is my thing glitching today? Oh, is that BJ? No, that's oh yeah, that's the other one. That's the other one. Yeah. So that thing hit $15.80. Congratulations if you got into this one, guys. Alrighty. Only what? anyways. Anyways. Um yeah. Did anybody FOMO into BJDX? I think Bunny did. Anybody FOMO into BJDX, guys? Right? This one's been getting spammed by the bot this morning in Discord. So DJT looks nice. If that thing can get above 40, that would be perfect. BNOX with again still curling, which is good. And then AGFY is still playing games here. So let's see what that thing decides to do. Maybe we are hesitating for good reason. S&P T-Rexing a little bit. Okay. What does this person say? We are going to count the ballots much faster than we did in 2020. Philadelphia City Commissioner says. Oh, you better count the damn ballots. Count the damn ballots. BNOX looking good. Good curl. Good curl, guys. Very good curl. I mean, that was the second retest at 48 cents. Why am I being so greedy this morning, guys? I want exactly what I want today for some reason. For some reason, I want exact numbers. uh, I want exact numbers. Do, 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 do. Spies like, don't worry, guys. I come back. Come back for you guys. ZVSA for anybody that was interested. Again, maybe a bit of support at $2.65. Yeah. It's a one. Oh, I see why. Uh, okay. What else? BJDX. Oh wow, that thing came back down, but then said, "Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys." Ooh, well, maybe we're gonna get it. Maybe we're gonna get it. That thing's like, we'll see. DJT obviously broke above $40, guys. So, um, well, as you can see, right? So $40 broken, and looking good, looking good, looking good, guys. So congratulations on the DJT holders. BJDX looking good as well. What's your position in that play? Let me know. Why is it glitched there? Yeah. What's your position in ALBT? Let me know. Is it done? It looks like it's done. Doesn't look amazing, does it? It does not look amazing. DJT. La, 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 la. A head fake. Oh yeah, yeah. So sometimes these stocks just look too weak, you know. So then you just have to be patient with them. Let them do the scams. But yeah, BNOX has done a good job holding 48 cents this morning, which is good. Which is very good. Uh, Stop teasing. I know, right? See again, like stuff like this, we should just probably throw in the garbage, right? Stuff like this, you wanna just throw in the garbage. Oh, I see. I see. La 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 la. Yeah, I don't. The lowest we hit for now is 34. 34. So close, Mullen. So close. So very close. So very close. So very close. La la la. Yeah, no, DJT's done well. And again, maybe an expectation though that, again, the day of election, right? Since we've sold off already, then we have a bit of momentum going into the election. So that's good, right? That is a good thing. Yeah, pretty good run though, Jasmine, right? I don't think I would completely count this out yet, but really, really good run. So really, 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 really good run. Na, 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 na. What? Are you kidding? Unbelievable. One sec. I just need to take. uh, yes, yes. That's what we want. That's what we want. AGFY. That's what we want. Yeah, yeah. BNOX is still looking really good though, isn't it? Right. So if you're holding this one, you should be good. So if you bought this one in that demand zone, that's perfect actually. Right. So there goes 56 cents. 56 cents. You know what? Like AGFY is kind of giving me what I want. So it's gonna give me what I want for a gamble trade. So I don't mind cooking now. AGFY, I don't mind cooking right now. There goes BNOX, guys, looking beautiful. If you're holding BNOX, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding. If you're holding. Uh, Money, love it. Yeah, again, don't forget that there's a new channel in Discord, guys, called the Gains channel. So you can always post the gains in there. So BNOX does look good. So 60 cents is still resistance, but the fact that we keep testing it is a good thing. What did you get in that blister? What you get in that bill? Yeah, look at that, right? So sometimes honestly, you just keep taking profits at the same price and you're gonna be happy, right? Look at that. Same resistance, nothing's changed here. Right? This is what the fourth time now, 60 cents, and then all the way back down to the same price. So yeah. Right. If you're locking in those gains, you're happy, right? 60 cents resistance back down, 60 cents resistance back down. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, perfect. Do you guys see why we hesitated and hesitated for AGFY in that signal, right? Because it just kind of looked a bit sus until like we got close to 430, right? Because that's what we want, uh, to 420. Okay, one sec, guys. I'll be back. Okay, coming. Uh, I previous bottom. The previous bottoms. Nah, nah. Pump it, bunny. Pump it, pump it. Bump it. What else? What else are we seeing here? ALBT had a bit of a 350. No, actually, I think that was a different stock. That was a different stock. Come on now, it's time to go, AGFY. Time to go. Leave the people behind. Time to go, AGFY. Give us the boomskis. Yeah, BJDX actually looks very impressive. Very impressive. The way that it comes back. Come on, AGFY. Give us the monies, please. Show me the monies. Don't wait, don't wait. Show me the monies. Can we get back above 450? I bet you that 200 EMA is going to be a bit of an obstacle. Also, the spread is a bit stupid. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's so weird, like the price action on this thing, but yeah, 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 yeah. Get above 450, please. We don't want any more. No more dips. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it was close enough for me, Bunny. Um, Crypto, thank you very much for the super chat. BJDX, let's go. It's well done. Yeah, you printed monies on this one. I saw your screenshot, Crypto. Well done. Thank you very much for the super chat. Music is a bit loud. Uh, API looks good. Okay. Yeah, 53 guys. Yeah, enough for me. Yeah, yeah, please. That's Yeah, what's the what does that level look like actually? Because we need to close above it. Already grabbed some $52 calls, up $75. Nice, nice. Yeah, the spread on AGFY looks a bit sus. For a stock that has this much momentum, the spread shouldn't be that horrible. But uh, on top of you're already holding the 800. Very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Well done. Well done. Well done. Do, 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 do. AGFY, do we need to call like the FBI or something? Like, what the hell are you doing? Like the spread is very sus on that thing. Wait. What is that? Oh wow. Okay, that's the first time I'm seeing that, Rob. Uh, Description. That is very cool. Very very cool. Could be worth keeping an eye on. Alert set. Okay, I'll take a look. I will take a look. I want to see where this thing. I want to see if we can close above or below this downtrend and this candle, and then I'll take a look. But BJDX looks really really good. Again, Captain, thank you for the super chat. Thank you very much. Ready? And congratulations on this one because that thing has been cooking. So well done, well done, well done, well done. And congratulations to anybody else that got into this. Right? Again, if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out because BJDX was getting spammed. Right? Getting spammed. So yeah, and there it goes. 1650. 1650. Okay. And then yeah, let me take a look at the other one, Grim. XPON. Slow and steady. It has all the makings of like boomskis. It's just lacking the volume, Grim. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Same level. Oh yeah. Yeah. $4.50 seems to be a big problem for the stock. The last 3 days, last three trading sessions. Yeah. Yeah, on watch for sure, for sure. SPY looks amazing. New highs of the day, guys. Again, AGFY we still like because it got really close to the range we wanted, right? And it's trying. Again, the spread is so stupid. But yeah, and then DJT is kind of double topping on 40.50. Yeah, yeah, that's the only thing it's missing, Grim. The volume. Everything else looks as it should, right? So come on, AGFY. We didn't wait for you for this long so you could come slack, useless stock. It's almost like it lost all the volume. It looks, according to TradingView, these guys have earnings tomorrow, so that's pretty dangerous. Pretty dangerous. So that's not maybe something you want to be diamond handing. Not something you want to be diamond handing there. But yeah. Uh oh yeah, that was ZVSA that had reached support at 250. Okay, I knew something did. 1750, guys. 1760. BJDX is on fire. Just like that. Just like that. That thing is just cooking. Just cooking. Just cooking. Just cooking. 18, 150. Woof. Woof. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Amazing, isn't it? You want to know when this thing initially got alerted in Discord, guys? Does anybody want to know? Anybody really want to know? At 9:45, 9:54, is that what it says? Now I'm gonna have to scroll. No, so yeah, so 9:54, right? You want to see what time 9:54 was, guys? You want to see? You want to see, guys? Right at the breakout. This is when it was alerted in Discord. Right there on the breakout. Resistance, 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 resistance. It was still breaking out, right? Still breaking out, right? What price was that? 9 cents. 9 cents, guys. So again, these are not stocks we were talking about on stream right away because we're talking about other things. But if you're not in Discord, sometimes you're missing out, right? It was just breaking out above 9 cents and then 10 cents, obviously. And then look at that, boom skis, boom skis, boom skis. And then obviously it's given other opportunities, right? Other breakouts, other curls. But yeah. So if you're not a member, you're missing out big time. Big time. You know? Slow you up. Okay. Monies. Okay, let me take a look and then I'm gonna put up no, 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 no. Actually, I should be able to get rid of save. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I would really appreciate that. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel already. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Now here we are, and I ignored it. Penny stock, yeah. There goes 19 cents, buddy. Right, that thing is just cooking. Very, very impressive. Like, look at that. Probably going to 20 cents, huh? Doo-doo-doo. There you go. 1950, 1960, 1970, 1990, and there's your 20 cents. Tapped 20 cents and then came back down. 20 cents is not an easy level, is it? We often see these stocks break about 20 cents but then come back below, but that's because like all of it is just resistance, even if it does break above, right? But yeah. Yup. So really nice run there on that thing. It looks like it wants to break 20 cents, doesn't it? Yeah, there it goes. There goes the breaks above 20 cents. And there it is. Ooh, I think it might have huh. Very, very interesting. Do 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 do. Should I buy at the top? Buy low, sell high. 20, yeah, 20 cents is going to be a bit of an obstacle there for anybody that's trying to FOMO. What's SPY doing? Is this dip time, guys? Dip time? And then AGFY again, still holding the range we want it to hold above, but that thing really needs to, it needs volume. The spread is very sus now. Like it's very sus, right? And then BNOX is kind of dying. So, yep. Again, 60 cents. It failed too many times. This is the problem when you hold on to stocks too long that are failing at resistance. Is eventually people look at this and say, how come no break, right? So here's the difference, right? If you're watching a stock, right? So let's say you're watching a stock, guys. I need a chart that is not zoomed in. So let's say you're watching a stock, right? Let's do some art. Okay. Let's say you're watching a stock and this is resistance and this is the level that it keeps bouncing at, right? If so the difference between like BNOX is BNOX is doing this and then doing this and then doing that and then doing this and then doing that and then doing this, right? So now if it breaks below the bottom of the range, it's a problem because people panic sell, right? So now here's the difference. Here's the one we like, right? If a stock is doing this and then coming back down, doing that, and then going back up, and then doing this, and then doing that, and then doing this, and then doing that, eventually it's going to destroy that level, right? Because it's actually building support higher, it's creating higher lows, right? When it's coming back to the same range of support, it's only a matter of time before that level is broken. That's the problem, right? You're looking for the Discord link. If you're looking for the Discord link, you have to become a member first on YouTube. So click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot. Sign up for the level that says Discord Community Legend or Goat, probably the Legend level, and then you'll get the link to join us in Discord. Alrighty? Come on, AGFY. Come on now. What are you doing? Give us monies, Mr. Fix It. Give us monies. What is it doing? And then BJDX is still testing 20 cents and backing off, but doing well though. So just again, maybe taking profit close to 20 cents, nothing wrong with that, right? Scaling out maybe, right? But FOMOing at that price is always going to be a bit more dangerous. There we go, guys. Can we keep cooking, please? Can we keep cooking? We want pancakes for breakfast. See that's exactly what I don't like is the silly spread on this stock. Mm, 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 mm. That's what I don't like about it is the spread. Is the spreads. Okay, are we oh wow, that thing broke above, guys. That thing's at 22 cents now. That thing said, excuse me, you don't believe in me? You don't believe in me? I break it. Let's see what happens. Okay. Well, here comes the supply zone now, right? So 20 cents was a psychological level. Now this is a supply zone at 24 to 25 cents. That thing is crazy. 209%, guys. Woof. Woof. That thing said, and what virus? And thrust. 220%. As soon as virus foremost, with that blueberry. Dan just found an excuse to tell me what he had for breakfast. He was just looking for an excuse. I opened the door and he came rushing in with pancakes. Unbelievable. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 2350. 20. If you're still holding a BJDX, type in yes in the chat, guys. If you're still holding this one, type in yes in the chat. What's the camera doing? Okay. If you're still holding BJDX, type in yes in the chat. Sheesh. Impressive. Very, very impressive. Very, very, very impressive. Actually, let's do this. Whew. What a run. What a run. What a run. Again, that stock was posted in Discord at 9 cents, guys. 9 cents to 25 cents. Yep, pretty nice run. Right. Make sure you secure gains on the way up though, please. Because when it sells off, it's gonna move quick too. Troy, good morning. Where do we get it now? You got in and out, Blister. So what do you add in terms of like what do you add for the day, Blister? Give me a number. Where you at? So AGFY is doing good, guys. Again, so that scalp is looking better now. Looking way better now. Way, way better now. Way, way better now. Way, way better now. uh see, Blister, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Yeah, it's because you rushed and you got in, right? That thing was never a buy for you. Signal, yes. For you though, it was never a buy, right? You did not stick to the plan. Is why you got slapped. You did not stick to the plan, right? The S&P is cooking their virus. My goodness. Whoosah. Especially when you got in a couple of times, right, Blister? It was it you yeah. 23. Let's go official. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, look at the S&P. Oof. I want to see a 2% day today, virus. 2% day today. XTIA is now cooking too. Penny stock. XTIA. XTIA. Okay. Ah, Spy's like, yep, back to the highs of the day, guys. Back to business. Sheesh. now I wish I bought more dips, virus. Uh Actually really good. See, Guardian, you just had to give it a bit more time, right? Yeah. Some movies are always sus and like super slow, but yeah, 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 not bad. Yeah, a bit slow, but then it was good. Yeah, I was definitely singing the theme song or playing it on the drive back. Not tight enough. Yeah, yeah. But again, so if you stick to the plan, Blister, that we talked about, your stop loss is going to be determined for you, right? So you don't have to sit there and say, okay, what's my stop loss? No, like if you stick to the plan, you know exactly where that stop loss should be. So then it's nothing that you need to figure out and say, okay, this is too tight or like this is this. It's going to be there for you, waiting for you, staring at you in the face. Guardian, yeah. Yep, exactly. Okay. Come on, AGFY. I know I'm not looking at AGFY, but come on now. BNOX, yeah, BNOX is holding up the VWAP for now at 45 cents. DJT, yeah, resistance, guys. Yep, supply zone, and then all the way back to the 38 again, right? And now it's bouncing. So, I mean, it's range bound, but it's also holding the the levels that it needs to hold. So that's a good thing. So it's a good thing. Uh, and then BJDX again. Look at all of that red at the top, right? Some profits were taken, and I bet you those profits moved over to XTIA, right? So uh, a lot of games being played on this one here. A lot of games. Hmm. ZVSA. Yeah, let me pull up XTIA here. Stocks are heavily shorted today. Well, looks like this one is this one's cooking too, right? Like again, this one was posted in Discord at 23%, guys. What is it at now? What is it at now, guys? What is it at? 75%, right? What is it at now? 75? I can't see. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. So it looks like penny stocks are a bit of a theme. A bit of a theme. But yeah, nice little pop, right? This is I wonder why penny stocks are running today. I wonder why. For AGFY, no, no. Blister, no. Yeah, that thing basically just double top, right? At 465, look to the left hand side. All of that resistance, so it needs to give you another curl at some point here. XTIA and then BJDX bouncing off 19 cents. Yeah. Spy double tops for now, Troy. Wait till China wakes up. That thing's gonna destroy that 575 on the road back to 580. Just for Troy, destroyed the resistance. It's cardio day. I like it. Troy says no. Troy, yes, we will destroy 575. Troy, we'll destroy. We'll destroy. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. There we go. Come on, give me new highs. Do, 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 do. Okay. Good scalp on that one there. BJDX looks like it's really curling back into that supply zone. 22 cents. 22 cents. Yeah. Do, 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 do. 22 cents. Uh, Interesting. Okay. There goes Palantir, $50 again. Yep. See, Troy ruined the S&P with the stupid double top. Troy, ready for the dip skis? Get ready to dip buy. No more dip buying for me for SPY. No more dips. I bought dips already. I bought dip skis already. So all I want to see now is boom skis, pump, pump, pumps. Only ups from here. Back to the highs. Mm, 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 mm. BJDX still sitting there. Yeah. There we go. Nice pop. S&P back again. Yeah, clearly this thing just wants to go up today, Troy. But let's see, we break above. There it goes. There it goes, SPY. Here we go. New highs of the day. 91, 94, 97. So close, Troy. So close. Why did you buy the dip skis? I mean, it did come back. It did come back to the exact same spot again, slow, right? And then it bounced. So yeah, yeah. Yep, back into the 90s. There we go. Back into the 90s. Things like nope, not 80, not 75 yet. 35, 80, 38. Okay. Yeah, make sure you have a plan, please. Alrighty, make sure you have a stop loss. Please and thank you. What time is it? Please and thank you. 20 more people smash the like, guys. More than half of you guys, like over half of you guys, haven't smashed the like yet. Can you believe that, guys? Can you even on crazy days like today? Don't forget to smash a like, guys. I would really appreciate that, and it really helps. So take a second and smash a like. Um, Again, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, slow. Click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Alrighty. More than liked cookies? Yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Every time the market is dipping, I go look for you. But today, though, maybe not now. Maybe closer to the end of the day, maybe we dip. Troy. For now, though, the market's gonna go up. Right here goes 99. There goes 75. 75 broken. New highs of the day. Right. So, yeah, clearly they just want to keep pumping it today. I know, right? I had some cookies the other day, but it wasn't like store cookies though. It was like baked cookies, but it wasn't like a cookie that was made out of cookie stuff. It was like an old cookie that was made with like protein powder and almond milk and Greek yogurt and stuff like that. But so it's like a healthy cookie. More people, Alan. Yeah, I know, right? There goes Spy. Very nice push. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So congratulations if you're holding some SPY calls or something like that. Because today's the day for that. Today is the day for that. Do, 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 do. Uh, I wanted to type in Discord, but then I'm na 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 na. La, 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 la. Okay. Do, 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 do. Yeah, look at that, right? That's the problem, right? That's the problem with the second time. So the first like signal nicer. The second though is good if we're sitting above like a key moving average, right? Above the 200 as an example. So yeah. Uh, yeah, there we go. Set to respond to that. Yeah, it's below everything, blister, right? It's below everything. The view app is right there. Uh, yeah, double top for XTIA guys. Yeah, yeah. So $8. It's 880. 8 pennies, right? Right below 9. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Spy. We want to see 580. None of this rubbish. Yeah. Virus. I'm just seeing viruses comment now. BNOX is back above 50 cents actually. That's not bad, Not bad at all. This is what we wanted in the morning, right? But the stupid thing had to bounce, so we missed it. Stupid stock. Let me take a look at la la. Let me take a look at. Let's see. What was I looking for? There was a stock I wanted to pull up. Completely forgot though. I'll pull up Palantir instead. Because this stock is a monster. Absolute beauty of a company. Oof. Look at that. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. Tomato Rock, Troy. Yeah, I see. I see. What? Uh, okay. Why is my okay? Tomato Rock. Palantir double top, guys. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Oh damn, Spy got slapped. Slapped. Slapped, Troy. Again, it's all Troy's fault, guys. He did it. He did it. He did it. Hooray. And then here's that 420 for AGFY. It's holding it, but yeah, it's just the way that it's holding it, though, right? It's not like it's bouncing with any violence, which is what you kind of want. If you're holding Palantir as a long-term investment, type in yes in the chat. Winter. Yeah. Winter. Yeah. Let me with yeah. Winter. I don't want to look. I was gonna show you, but yeah, maybe I will. Uh, Edmonton. Uh, yeah. You see the snow? You see the snow, guys? You see that? See that rubbish? You see it? Yeah. As you, yes. 80 feels like unbelievable. I can't believe you guys. You and Dan, I can't believe you guys. I cannot believe you guys. 18 degrees Celsius in Toronto. See, like, yeah. AGFY is bouncing off that 420, which we wanted, Huh, not bad. Anyways, Palantir, not stopping, guys. Lovely breeze. Unbelievable. Can't believe you guys. But tonight, and think of you. I can't believe I have nothing to say. Nothing to say. Is Pia good for you today though, Dan? Features? Uh oh yeah. So if you guys didn't hear, one of the members, Sky, you guys always Sky, his name is Pappy, Popping Pappy in Discord. He sold 25% of his seasoning company. It's called I don't know let me see if I can pull it up. Crack virus behave. Crack spice. Right. So that's his company. Yeah. So he sold the company. So he got paid nicely. So you gotta be super. So then he's gonna be slacking a bit in Discord, but yeah, yeah, very cool though, right? Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. That's very cool, right? Oh, virus. Customer support. What a good news. Yeah, Elias saw that earlier. Seriously, Dan, we have some pretty cool members. Like, we have some pretty cool members. By the way, Spy was actually the dude that was on the cooking show, and he should have won the cooking show. He got scammed, and then he applied to be on Survivor. But yeah, like pretty cool though, right? Pretty cool. That's a nice looking website, actually. Pretty cool. Shop spices. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. So he wants us to plan a Vegas trip. Vegas trip. Yeah. Doo-doo, funny, Rob. Yeah. For all the members, yeah. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Oh wow, damn Spy. Spy really got slapped. Slapped. Sheesh. uh, don't worry. Next week I'm gonna score 100 points. Convention. Yeah. No, I think Josh is gonna organize something like that. Yeah. Yeah. And then we can do like a Vegas meetup or something. Should be fun. 52 today, possibly, probably. I mean, the way the thing just keeps hitting highs on highs and highs is impressive, right? Very impressive. Let me look at Palantir actually. What's the all-time high on this stock? Because I know we're hitting 52-week highs, right? So right below 51, but I know there was a level at some point. Oh no! It passed it. Yeah, it passed it. That level was that was $45 basically. So Palantir is at all-time highs. All-time highs. So anytime you see Palantir go up, just close your eyes and imagine all-time highs. Yeah. Cool people hang around cool people. Exactly, official. Exactly. More than uh, let's go, official. I bring cookies. Pablo? XTRA actually looks really good, you know? It's back to the highs of the day again here. There goes 9 cents on this one. Right? So dip and curl. I wonder if this thing can break above 10 cents and push just like BJDX did. Because that's a pretty nice breakout. Or just a pretty nice dip and then a comeback. It's not bad. Huh. Not bad at all. Uh, uh, yeah. Guess who wants to come home? uh, uh, the dog, or just the dog, or the wife. You made 2.8 times your daily goal, Troy. Well done. Just printing, Troy. Print. GFI is still holding 420, guys, right? Still holding the bottom, but damn, Spy's getting entat. Entat again. My goodness. And then BJDX, hopefully you took some profits or took all your monies. You do virus? It's only you, isn't it? Oh my days. uh, uh, la, 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 la. Do. Yeah. Ooh, bounce time. Maybe bounce time. Bouncy time. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can we get something to go up now, please? Please and thank you. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's see. Uh, December 4th. Do, 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 do. Okay. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay, copy. Hmm. Oh, Tesla? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sure, virus. Sure. Sure. For the when he wins. Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. It's selling off now. So that run earlier was nice. Yeah. So hopefully you guys took some profits as well on this one. Maybe a sell off now and then run into the end of the day. Maybe. Perhaps. Perhaps. 37 was that support from earlier this morning, right? So after Machina failed on election day, how are these machines failing? How are they failing? How like this is the most potentially the most important thing that people can vote for, or like very important, right? Machines failing should not be a thing. I saw this video of like someone, like I don't know if it's real or like if it's a scam or if it's like Photoshop, because people do stuff like that too, right? People will do Photoshop videos for the vibes and for the views, and for the confusion and for the chaos. People love to do that. But I saw this video of someone like voting, and they would click on like Trump and it wouldn't click, and then they would keep clicking and clicking, but then all of a sudden it would like highlight Kamala instead. You know, I don't know if anyone else has seen the video, but again, can you trust those videos? Who knows? Who knows? But stuff like that is scary though. That was real official. Crazy. Like stuff like that shouldn't be happening. Stuff like that should not be happening. The state had to. What did they say, official? Dang, what did they say? Virus. Yeah, what state was that in? And what did they say? Because yeah, if you're clicking on one name, it's not letting you click on that one name, and then you click multiple times and it clicks on the other name. That's pretty scammy. Palantir, not yet, not new highs yet. That it was malfunctioning. Oh yeah, sure, sure, sure. Yeah. Patricia, which part isn't true? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things where, like, again, people like me sit in other countries and and just make comments, right? So that's why I ask you guys, because I don't know. I really don't know. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh damn, spy! Oof, damn, damn, Dan. Did you go long on NQ on this? That was a very nice bottom. Virus. Let me uh likely by negligence. We were looking at Oreo Coke Zero. Unbelievable. Do better, Dan. Do better. Damn, look at the S&P, Troy. That thing is coming all the way back up. Oh, in futures. Oh. I thought you were looking with your wife or something. It's like, oh, I see. Uh, Let's go. Uh, there you go. All the way up. Then you click on one and then the other is marked. My daughter works at the Mission for Voting and she said that it was AI generated and is causing a lot of problems. See, that's what I thought too, Patricia, right? That's what I thought. Because again, like I can believe both sides, I can definitely see someone doing a video like that, Patricia, and causing chaos. Like I fully believe that. People love chaos. People love the attention for some reason. And that's not the type of stuff they should be playing with, but they do. Too many green vibes from when they were there. Good, Troy. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, you have to lock in those gains. Have to lock in those gains. It did. TK. Dang it. Yeah, it looks like it came back. Look to the left hand side, right? Like it actually had support on the left. Yeah. So double bottom ish, and then pop. Wait, that happened. Yeah. I honestly have. He will announce shortly. Yep. Yep. Z car. La 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 la. Z car. Palantir looks like a bit of a double top, doesn't it? That's a nice push for Z car. Nice looking chart. So it looks like 860 is the next little resistance there. Kind of, yeah. Good curl though. Good bounce. Uh, is that halted? Yeah, it's halted up, guys. $8.50 Z car halted. You're in a 631, Gary. Oof! Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, well done. So hopefully when it unhalts, again, it's sitting in the supply zone, but hopefully when it unhalts, it breaks above or like it opens above. Don't. Uh, yeah, you got profits, TK. Okay. Yeah, that's frustrating though that it had to drop that much to get you out. Right. Next time you just need to maybe make sure the stop loss is tighter. Uh, futures. Hoping for a 10. We'll see. Yeah, make sure you put a stop loss and then you move it up, right? So even if you don't get 10, you're still okay. Impossible. The impossible quiz. Yeah, yeah. What's the float? Oh, 65,000. Yeah. Choo. So let's see what happens when that thing gets unhalted. It looks like again DJT is doing the usual, right? 37 and then pop back to 39. So nothing to see there. So just waiting for Z car, honestly. AGFY, nothing to see, right? BNOX, meh, right? So let's see what happens with this one. Palantir still looks fine. What's the oh yeah, so the last 3 months it's up 87%. The last year or year to date, Palantir is up 200%. 200%. Very nice run on the stock. I mean, when you go up 22% every single day, like what do you expect? When a stock halts, like where should you put your stop loss? I usually put it right below the halted price, Bernie. I usually put it right below. All right. So what did you get in at, Bernie? What's your entry? Choo, 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 choo. Choo, choo. Yeah. Did you see the Hangout After Dark channel, Dan? It's because virus should not be allowed in public, you know. The media is saying that it's not proof of election interference. Official, crazy, crazy, crazy. We just mind our own business, you know. Well, I just mind my own business. People, yeah. uh, virus is not allowed in public, so they had to be, you know. Yeah, you can create. Let me see if I can do it. Actually, you can actually create the channel, and then you could integrations. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see. Overview. I don't want to do. Okay, I think I might have done it. So anybody that so somebody test this out for me. Somebody test it out for me. So somebody go into the Hangout After Dark channel in the general section right below Hangout General, and then see what it says. See what it tells you. See what it tells you. What does it say? Let me know. It might actually do it for anybody. Okay. I mean, not that there's a. But does it say? Does it say anything though? Okay. Yes. So now you guys know. You know, there goes Z car. That the spread on this thing is crazy. So that stop loss becomes a bit confusing now. Sheesh. I hate when stocks do that though. Even though it's slowly the bid and the ass is slowly going up, but I hate when stocks do that because you really never know what it's gonna do. uh, it's going down. Yeah, that thing was yeah, slow. Yeah. Oof, that thing is cooking now. Thing is about to look at that. Like that thing was just at $9, and then 2 seconds later, it's at $8.30. That's the problem with stuff like that. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh lordy, see that's where you guys belong. England's Pablo, I need to. Oh yeah. Oh, you posted that the soccer thing? Yeah, I'm gonna watch that later. Okay, sounds good, Rob. La 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 la. Slow's like, I will. Stop bullying me. So technically that looks like a double top though, right? Because none of those candles closed. Yeah. Yeah, I know. That stuff is usually funny. I'll watch later. Raven, because some people are not allowed in public. The reason why we created that channel though is because the the criminals in the options channel like to go crazy when the market closes. You should go read some of those conversations in the options channel when the market closes. These guys are wild, wild. It's almost like you would think like Diddy lives in the options channel, you know? Anyways, so then we needed a safe place for them to go to when the market closes. Almost like they love options so much that they don't know what to do with themselves. They don't know what to do with themselves, you know? We have exactly Jericho, exactly. As soon as the market closes, all you see is Diddy gifts, naughty gifts, all these other gifts in the options channel. I'm like, damn. So no. But in all seriousness, though, right? Like the options channel is amazing, and it would be nice for people to go back from time to time and learn, right? You know, go back to the options channel and like and look at the plays that were made during the day, right? Like you know, because there's a lot of knowledge. Like Virus will post a whole paragraph of like a really educational thing of what you're looking for when to do when you're doing options, but then at the end of the day, it's gone, disappeared, right? And then the next day is the same question. So, uh, so you know, it uh it's nice if you guys can anyways, let's go. There he is, slow. Welcome. What is this? La, 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 la. So, you don't mean to tease though. That's okay. Slow. Welcome to the community. This is your invite link. Okay, click that invite link and then follow the steps in the getting started. It's only going to show you one or two channels. Once you follow you follow the steps, it's going to unlock the other channels. Keep in mind you sign up for Discord community, so you don't have access to all the channels. Alrighty, like the scanners, the signals, some of the alerts, swings, you're missing a lot of channels, so you'd have to upgrade to legend if you wanted to have access to that. But yeah, you're good to go though, so come join us. Carry on. Currently shaking my head. Paris, but why? DJT is still looking good there. S&P is probably going to be back to the highs of the day, and I'm surprised Zcar isn't halted yet. Let's go, let's go. La la. Oh lordy, you guys are gonna be wild. Wild. Yeah, so slow. Make sure you follow. You just have to follow the steps in the getting started channel, and then you should be good to go. But for some reason, so immediately. Yeah, it's probably the spread for you, Donovan. What did you call it, Azul? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Virus. These are your people. These are your people. XTIA guys again pump and dump right from 70%. Look at this. 70, 80%, right? To 4%. Don't diamond hand these garbage stocks. It was really a kickstart. Oh damn. Crazy. Yeah, crazy, crazy. Let me know when you're good to go. Let me know when you're connected slow, and then you can upgrade at some point, right? And there goes the S&P. Yup, spies back to 575, guys. Beautiful, very beautiful, very very beautiful. Mm. Yeah, that stop should have never failed. Yeah, that stop should have never failed. It's a good thing that that channel is all the way down there, virus, away from all the serious channels. BNOX is, yeah, kind of Z card trying to go back up again. Do 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 do. Do, do, do. Okay, there we go. BNOX. Palantir is at new all-time highs again, guys. $51, guys. 51.04 new all-time highs. Oh 07 new all-time highs. Oh 08 new all-time highs. Sheesh. So what's this? It's for the for the naughty people, Pablo. So so we can stop spamming naughty gifts in stocks and options. Yeah, but no, not that like it's ever gonna. But anyways, unless that channel is crazy. Uh huh. You're loving it, virus. Loving it. These are your vibes. Well, at least now we can keep the options channel cleaned up, right? So education and making monies, right? Just like stock general. I mean, there's always gonna be like obviously conversations will always go like you know what I mean. Like it's okay for like to talk about random stuff, right? It's completely okay. Like when the market's open, like you're having a cookie, you're like, oh, I'm having a cookie, right? Like nothing to do with the markets. That's fine, right? It's just sometimes, especially when the market is closed, like we can chat somewhere else because then we chat for hours and then it erases all the educational stuff that we could scroll back and see for the day. Yeah, so don't feel the need, guys, to feel like you can't chat like in a channel about other things that has nothing to do with options or stocks. You can. It's just especially after the market closes and or like when the conversation is way too off, you know? Yeah. Because there's honestly there's just some people that don't like to have conversations like that. Some people just want to talk about options and stocks. They don't want to see like gifts of like, of nuts. you know? They don't want to see you know, boobies. Gifts of boobies. They just want to make monies and have normal conversations and normal laughs. Can you be quiet? Who? Unless last year happens. Last year, what do you mean, ghost? Get in there. No, TK. I'm not old enough to be in that channel. I'm kidding. Anyways, there goes Z-Car. Z-Car with a bit of a dip, and then boom skis. So Z-Car is looking good. I think it's really cooking. Really, really cooking. Let me look at Virus. What are you doing with INTC? What are you doing with INTC? Doo-doo. Yeah. Save yourself. Exactly. Exactly. Doo-doo. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. Why did I go to that channel? Why? Why? I cannot believe Dan. You guys are wild. You know, I'm just gonna I'm gonna stay away from that channel. I'm just gonna stay away. Oh my goodness. A Pandora's box with that channel? Seriously, Troy. Seriously. Anyways, I'm never gonna go to that channel again. Never, ever again. Save yourself. Uh, uh, and INTC. So full 50. Yeah, Virus, what are you doing with INTC? Are you just keeping it? Let me know. Virus is too busy in that channel. He can't even respond to me anymore. Yeah. And then it's up to you guys too, to you are slow, you're good to go. Okay, perfect. It's up to you guys too, to realize too, like you're in public kind of. There's just some stuff that like you want to keep to yourself, right? Otherwise, like it might be funny to you, but it might make it weird for everybody else. So yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah. So you can't just go crazy, right? Some stuff is weird for some people, you know. So try your best to to remember that you're in public. No, no, no. You're gonna if you do Azu, you're gonna die. You know, stuff like that belongs in the body. But no, but you understand what I'm saying though. Take my $2 left in profit bucket for the day. Okay, sounds good. Yes, absolutely, Donovan. Yeah, it's that limit order. It kind of messed you up there. So $10 incoming for Z car, guys. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Again, the intention of that channel though is like have conversations out of the market, right, that are questionable, but they're normal conversations, so we keep the other channels clean, right? It's not a channel to to spam naughty things, but you guys will figure it out. Ghost, that's right, keep it to yourself. No, 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 Azul, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You are a okay. You are okay. Yeah, yeah. La 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 la. Oh, the spy just hit new highs, guys. Oh wow. Dang, Troy, look at that. She's that thing looked like it was dying, and then all of a sudden, dang it, TK. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Look at that. Dang, you sold that thing at the bottom, TK, and then it said, yup, yup, bye bye. The S&P, like I still can't believe I still can't believe the S&P is up 20% year to date. 20%, guys. 10% in the last 3 months. Again, a lot of this too is because because of what happened in 2020 and then 2022. Like we had some like we had like a period where like the market wasn't pumping as it should have, right? So then to some degree we need to recover those losses, right? So but at the same time, like, yeah, you know what I mean? You know how and then I mean like honestly, I say that, but I really don't believe that too. Is so look at this, right? You know how they say like 10 the S&P goes up 10% every year. Look at the last 5 years. That's 85%. What's 85 divided by 5? It's not 10, right? It's not 10. It's closer to 17, isn't it? Right? 15%. I mean, to be on the safe side, because we have a few months left. Maybe we get a sell off, but it's about 15%. That's pretty impressive, That's pretty impressive. Very, very impressive. So that's the last 5 years that the S&P has been cooking like that. So that's impressive. Very, very impressive. I'm sure at some point we will have a period where like we go up 5% a year, maybe, but probably not. Who are we kidding? Virus, what are you doing with INTC? Did you close your INTC already, Virus? Uh, yeah. Let's go. Slow. Why? What happened? So credit card debts are all time high. We just got the worst jobs report since 2008, saving three savings at 90 year 3% savings. Yeah, I saw that number, 3% savings. Worst thing since the Great Depression. Average inflation. Yeah, 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 yeah. I saw them and keeping some. Very sorry, sorry. I missed it. Yeah, yeah. No, there are definitely some things that are okay. Let's go slow. Let's go. That's because we don't pump and dump. We don't we're simply just here to help each other win. You know. Ah, virus. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I wonder what INTC is gonna do though. Yeah, because we again, like I said yesterday, right? Like we just keep going up and down in this range. So the question is, do we break out of that range? Do we break out of the range? Is the question, right? So you're not in a position yet, Chama. Not in a position yet. Okay, let me take a look though. Uh, I have the ones with plenty of time. Okay. PPBT. Why does that sound like a ticker that belongs in a? PPBT. So you're not in a position yet. Nasty. Did I say that out loud? Yeah, nasty stock. Anyways, it hit it. See, that's the thing too, is it hit all-time lows today, but then it's bouncing. So then that makes it seem a little bit hopeful, though, doesn't it? Right? Like it got like look at the volume, 20,000 shares, and they report earnings today. So like honestly, this one's a gamble. There's nothing I can say, right? 20,000 shares from the abyss, from 260 back to $3 on 20,000 shares. Apparently, they report earnings today, according to TradingView. I don't know if that's true, but there's not a whole lot of confidence here. But it might be a good gamble. But I just don't know. You'd have to be willing to take that gamble. I used to be in the chat like a year ago, and I stopped doing stocks for a good minute. 2 weeks ago, in the first play, I hit at $1,100 in 2 hours. Let's go, slow. Slow. You might need to upgrade to the Legend membership because you're going to be missing a lot of things you don't have right now. So, brings you hope. Yeah, absolutely. That's all we want. We want to help each other succeed, right? There's nothing feels better than that. So, yeah. Yeah. Uh, Type holding average based on it's tied. Wow. Mm, crazy. There's more channels. Yeah. Yeah. If you're not a Legend member, you're missing. Let me count the channels. You're missing Legend Voice, which is where we do the group classes. So if we're doing a group class, an educational session, you're missing that. You're missing the signals. So that's two. You're missing the swings. That's three. You have trade ideas for now. For now, you have top gainers for now. For now, you're missing the momentum scanner. You do you have breaking news? No, you don't. Do you have the hot scanner? Maybe you do, but you're missing like five channels potentially. But yeah, so if you're not a Legend member, you're missing a whole bunch of stuff. Look at this. Look at PPBT. Right, Chama, it's already dropping. Like I think that thing just seems a bit, I don't know, confusing. Z car is at $10, guys. So congratulations if you are in Z car. Congratulations, because that thing's about to make new highs. Whoa, what was that? Yeah. Z car is cooking. Um, yeah. La. Discord level? Probably end of the year. Probably end of the year. Probably end of the year. And then well, when virus gets when virus gets a G wagon, then la. And then he comes pick me up. Let's go. Oof, damn, this stock is on fire. Look at that. Just like that, guys. $11 for this one. Just like that. Just like that. Sheesh. Uh, there goes $11. Uh, sounds good, virus. Yes. That's one of the membership levels, Joe, on YouTube here. It's one of the membership levels. 10 cents. Okay. LILM just popped a little bit. Another penny stock. LILM. You still haven't taken profits yet? Okay. I mean, it's very close to the highs already. Still, so should be okay. Anyways, I do need to go do some one-on-ones, guys. So 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord already. So let me know if you have any last questions. And then we're gonna hop off again. If you're not a member yet, you're gonna keep missing out. Come join us in Discord. So, perfect. Rotation. Okay. Yeah. So again, if you're not a member in Discord, come join us. Click the link right there from Nightbot. Come join us. Random stuff in Discord. That's Dustin, right? Yeah, that's Dustin. Dustin is random stuff. Z-Car is like, hey guys, I just keep going. 177%, not stopping. Is anyone in the chat still in Z-Car? I know, so when stocks get expensive like this, sometimes we just ignore them, you know. Alex, what's your position in DJT? What's your position? Let me know. What did you buy at? I think DJT looks nice, right? Gap up coming into today, almost expected because we had a sell off. Maybe we sell off for a little bit now and then pump at the end of the day as we go into the actual election. But if you hold overnight, it's a bit of a gamble. Alrighty, you have to be yeah. So not great. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So, I mean, again, Alex, come join us in Discord. People were buying DJT the other day at $30, 31, $30. We said this yesterday for DJT, right? Did we not? We said this multiple times yesterday, right? If DJT is a normal stock, the entry price is $29.50 to $30.50, right? We were saying that all day yesterday, right? At this price. Where is it? Right there, right? The reason we were saying that is because look at the daily chart, right? Let's look at the daily. And let's look at that exact number, right? Let's see why we were saying that. So the reason we were saying that was because look at that, right? That's the 200. That's your support right there, right? That support right there, the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, pretty strong level, right? So and now from $30, we went all the way to $40, right? So then you FOMOed in at $40, right? So again, come join us in Discord. Come join us. Come join us. But yeah, for now, just be aware, Alex. Though, like if you're holding into tomorrow, it's a gamble, right? If he wins, okay, cool. If he doesn't win, then what happens? Straight to the abyss, right? So yeah. So make sure your position you're not oversized. You're not like gambling too much, right? Because that's what this is to an extent, right? So the price action leading up to the election, fine, right? From $12 to $57, amazing. From $30 back to 40, amazing. But if you're holding into the election, If half of it is you guessing and gambling, right? So you just have to be aware that the easy part of this is done. Now becomes the roll of the dice. I mean, even if exactly, Alex, exactly. Even if he wins, it could go down, right? So that's what I'm saying. Like the easy part is done. Now is the 50-50 part. He could win and it go up. He could win and it go down. He could lose and it goes down. I mean, if he loses, it definitely goes down. So yeah. My goodness, Zcar, look at this, guys. This stock is on fire. $12. My goodness, is that thing cooking? It really is parabolic. Shish, Zcar. Oof, oh my goodness. 1250. 207%. Let's go, let's go. La, la, la. Uh, anyways, 1270. Monster. At some point, this thing is going to get slapped to the downside, though. So, speaking of which, it just lost $1. They're getting pounded. I mean, every so often the shorts get pounded. Yeah. So let me zoom out on Zcar before we hop off. There's a downtrend there. Yep. Yep. Yeah. So yeah. So $12.70, 12.75. There's resistance there, and then after that you're looking for 14.50 to $15. But that 12.70, 12.75 is a bit of a problem. I mean, it looks like it wants to go back up there, though, doesn't it? Interesting. Okay. Well, so those are your levels, right? I mean, we came all the way back to 1270, so clearly that thing has a lot of momentum. But you can see that that's the second time it's failed at 1270 again, right? So clearly that level has a bit of a problem. Good morning, corn. And there it goes again, 1270. Is it going to close above this time? 1280. Is it going to hold it? Nope. Right back below 1270. Back again. Voodoo. Voodoo. SMCI. There it goes. Did we fail at 1270, guys? Yup. So 1270 downtrend is a problem. So if you're holding or watching that thing, yeah, 1270 on so you can close above 1270. Even if it goes above, it doesn't count until it actually closes above. And then if it can, okay, cool. And then you can start talking about like 13, 14, 15. But the good thing though is like it just keeps coming back, right? Like, nope, I'm not done yet. I'm surprised the stock has only been halted like once or twice. What's your question or position in ADN, slow? And right back to $12. So 360 enterprise, not necessarily. So what's happened is the company's done a split, so it's messed up the all-time year-to-date high. Alrighty, so don't pay attention to that. That number is a little bit messed up. So every time again a company does a split, it multiplies the price by the split ratio. So it's never actually smelled the light of day above $100. But because of the split, it changes the year-to-date price. And then there goes your dip, right? Yeah. Yup. Yeah, that stuff can be very confusing because look at this actually. So look at the 50. So year to date, right? Look at the 52-week high. You see that number right there on the right hand side? Look at this. Right? Look at the 52-week range. It's telling you that the low is $3.93, but then the high is $1,200 right there on the right. $1,300, right? Yeah, this stock has never been to $1,300. Otherwise, everybody would know. But yeah, so it just messes up like that stuff when they do it. So 1270 resistance because it had a downtrend on the daily. This is why it's important that you always zoom out, guys, right? You zoom out, like looking at this chart, you might never know why it's failing at 1270. Like, why the hell is it failing at 1270? But then you look at the daily, you're like, oh, there's a downtrend on the daily. Oh, okay. At the same time, though, I say that, but at the same time, usually when a stock is about to sell off, it usually gives you that warning, right? And especially if it's a momentum stock, you will see it stall. Like you can kind of see it, right? Like it's just sitting there, like it's failing at the same price for a few minutes. You know it has a problem at that price. So even if you don't zoom out, you can still kind of tell, like, hey, why all these wicks at the top there? Why does it look like we're trading down? But again, hopefully it does break above it at some point though, because this is the type of stock that will break it because it's a crazy stock. Crazy stock. Okay, let me take a look. So you're holding ADN $3.33. So you must have got that today then. What is it doing? Slightly green, yeah. See, the good thing about your entry too is you can set a really good stop loss. So if I was in the same position, I would either set a stop loss right below 330 or I'd set a stop loss at 319. Either or, right? And as you can see, if I scroll back to like pre-market and after hours and yesterday, you can see that you have a lot of resistance at $3.70, right? So if they can break above 370, then it's opening room to like $4. But for now, though, you should most likely focus on your stop loss. The S&P is back to the highs of the day, guys. Monster. Chama, yeah, going to be watching that one in Discord. Alrighty, guys, we're going to leave it here for the day. Have a wonderful afternoon. Do your research, get out and vote. We're going to continue all of this chaos in Discord, right? So if you are not a member, come join us. If you do become a member after the stream, just send me an email, hottradesx@gmail. Alrighty? Don't forget to upgrade your membership. Alrighty? Smash a like before you go. Much love. Thank you very much for the support, and be safe, please. Alrighty? And yeah, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty, y'all. See you in Discord War. Bernie, see you in Discord. Let's go, DMAC. Thank you very much. Slow, welcome to the community, by the way. See you in Discord. Thank you, 360. We'll be a member. Let's go. Yeah, if you do become a member when the stream is done, just again, show up to the channel, click on join. It's going to let you join. And then there's an invite link under the community section after you join the right membership. So Discord community, Legend or Goats. If not, send me an email, hottradesx. Alrighty, y'all. Raven, much love. Chat later. Alrighty. Later. See you in Discord. William, much love. See you in Discord. Me, Mullen. Have a great afternoon as well. See you in Discord. And Jericho, green, not greedy, please. See you in Discord. Later, Azul. Go DJT. Pump it. Get back about $40. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you very much. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hot trades, building you to the scene. Hot trades, riding the money dream. Hot trades, what's your strategy? Hot trades, come and trade with me. Hot trades, places, let's go. Hot trades, we're making that dough. Hot trades, watch the market soar. Hot limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, Blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, Lays is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, Blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud.